I was looking for a new age instant print camera. I love the idea of them for parties or crafts. Mum here. I originally bought the Fujifilm camera when it was on sale at Target near Black Friday last year as a gift to the family, myself, but then this one went on sale for the same price, so I returned the other one for this. I love that you can put a memory card in it, so if the picture is amazing or why. That's a big win for this camera. It also has the color or black and white option, which is nice because many similar cameras do not, so you must buy either color or black and white film. It charges easily and is easy to use. I just find the button to take photos can easily be hit and therefore waste. It's not much of an error on my part, just chaos while holding it is a no-go, so always turn it off when not in use. The photo quality is not like a cell phone of this age quality, it is similar to the old instant photos. The colors are off, but I didn't expect photography level photos, just something fun. I do have a love-hate relationship with auto flash functions, which this has. It makes it easier to use and less likely to forget to turn flash on, but it does leave less control to the user. All in all, I recommend this camera to anyone who is looking for an easy-to-use camera with a few extra features. Seriously, the memory card is amazing. I work at Target and have even S. OMG, so cute. I love this little camera and recommend it. If your expectations are realistic for this reasonably priced item, you will be happy. $70 plus $0.50 photo paper sheet is, in my book, reasonable for a camera printer in one, considering that there is never a need to purchase toner, and there is the option for a mini SD, ability to save digitally. I think the manufacturer photos, videos are realistic, they make no claims to great photo quality. The best thing about this camera is the fun, instant factor. The photo quality will seem subpar in comparison to the excellent cameras we are all used to now on our smartphones, but in good lighting, ESP outdoors, the color picture is good. Do not expect super sharp details or super vibrant colors. Great fun for parties. Photo booth option with instant gratification. Photos are immediately dry, pretty darn water resistant and sticky backed for collage fun. -1 star because it is shutter button is so easy to hit. At $0.50 a pop it gets annoying. Every picture taken prints, no choice, really should have a lock or require firmer pushing. Defined area in viewfinder is a bit hard to see. Camera does beep when turned on and ready, and when shutter has been pressed. Kodak does provide a manual online, no manual included, worth a quick perusal for details like don't add more paper until empty. Camera holds up to 3 images, as in it will retain 3 photos if you're out of paper and you have not inserted micro SD. Especially for the money, this is such a great buy. Once you kinda figure out the way it works, no flashy screens or Alexa to tell you what to do, it is super easy. Picture quality isn't incredible, but if you are looking for that sort of faded Polaroid feel, then this is great. Photos are small, smaller than a credit card, but for me that's fine. Does black and white or color, which is super cool. It's not too heavy. And yeah, the photos have an adhesive back, which is cute. Great for a gift or some not so serious photography for a scrapbook. Click link in description for more reviews.